Today I'm excited to share with you 4 things I stopped doing as a minimalist. These shifts have not only simplified my space but also brought a profound sense of peace and clarity to my life. Before we dive in, I want to say that minimalism or minimalist aesthetics may not be for everyone, but decluttering can benefit anyone. If you're looking for tips on spending less time on cleaning or ways to simplify your life, keep watching and let me know your thoughts in the comments. First, let's start with underbed storage. I used to cram all sorts of things under the bed. Blankets, extra bedding, magazines, books, extra stocks of toilet paper, batteries, and old cell phones. But one day, a leak in our home forced us to move stuff out, and that's when it hit me. How much unnecessary clutter had accumulated with all of that stuff just collecting dust. I was determined to reclaim our bedroom as a sanctuary for sleep and made a decision to keep nothing under the bed except for essential power strips and charging cables. I purged unnecessary stuff, and now with an empty space beneath the bed, I feel a sense of calm and truly appreciate the sanctuary our bedroom is meant to be. Next, let's talk about bulk buying. For the longest time, I thought stocking up on essentials like toilet paper, trash bags, toiletries, and food in bulk was a smart money-saving move. But as time went on, I became overwhelmed by the excess and constant need to find storage solutions for everything. Not to mention, I found myself frequently forgetting what I already had and overbuying. Shifting away from bulk buying has allowed me to regain control over my consumption using items with intention and purpose. It's funny how I used to use things excessively and waste them when I felt like I had plenty more. This change not only decluttered our space but also saved us money in the long run. Then there's the kitchen counter clutter. I used to keep all kinds of appliances and utensils on the counter, thinking it made cooking more convenient and wanted to look lived in. But this only added to visual clutter and made cleaning a hassle. Now I stick to the essentials: a kettle during the winter, glasses, and water pitcher. Appliances and utensils are only brought out when we use them, and we put them away once done. It's amazing how much more space we have to cook, and cleanup is a breeze when we have fewer items cluttering up the counter. Lastly, we said goodbye to our rug. Well, at least for now. Sure, it added a cozy touch to the room, but it also added extra cleaning time and stress. It required more vacuuming than I wanted to do. Removing the rug has simplified the cleaning routine, and I've found a balance between comfort and convenience that works for us. Minimalism may not be for everyone, but the benefits of decluttering and having less stuff is worth considering. As someone who once felt overwhelmed by cleaning and upkeep of the house, I can attest to its transformative power. The less you have to clean. As I continue my minimalist journey, I cannot wait to share all the benefits I'm discovering with you in future episodes. Each change has brought me closer to a simpler, more intentional way of living with less time spent tidying and organizing. Thanks for joining me today, and remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.